Dear student, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is Arfat Mujib from FEI Higher Secondary Institute. Today I am with chapter number 4, Science 8th class. Chapter is Combustion and Flame. Today my topic in this chapter is combustion and types of combustion. It includes in unit 3rd syllabus. So how we define this term chemical reaction? It is a chemical reaction, this combustion. How we define this term here? Combustion. Combustion क्या होता है? ये एक chemical reaction होती है. It is a chemical means chemical reaction जिसमें एक substance burn होता है in the presence of oxygen और इसमें heat and light energy release होती है. जो substance burn हुआ है इस process में, उस substance को हम कहते हैं combustible substance, combustible, or we simply say it is a fuel. That means how we define this combustion. It is a chemical process. हम कहेंगे it is a chemical process in which a combustible substance burns in the presence of oxygen, presence of atmospheric oxygen, and liberates heat and light as energies. मैंने कॉम्बशन को किस तरह डिफाइन किया है? ये एक ऐसा केमिकल रिएक्शन है जिसमें एक कंबस्टिबल सब्सटेंस जो which undergoes the process of combustion, it always burns in the presence of atmospheric oxygen. Important, you have to mention. And then after there is a release of heat or light energy, या दोनों. तो हम इस चीज को कहते हैं combustible combustion. If you take the example, it is a laboratory work of we demonstrate to the students in the laboratory when we burn magnesium ribbon. If we burn magnesium, Mg होता है magnesium ribbon in the presence of atmospheric oxygen, it gives the formation of magnesium oxide. Here we place here twice magnesium oxide हमें burn. We have to first of all give little energy when we try to burn the magnesium ribbon in the presence of atmospheric oxygen. It gives the formation of magnesium oxide. Here I mean it is an example first of the combustion. Here this combustible substance burns in the presence of atmospheric oxygen. Here it burns in the presence of atmospheric oxygen. And what we obtain when it burns, magnesium ribbon burns, it liberates lot of heat energy. A bright white light releases when magnesium burns. And it is advised to the students not to see continuously towards the burning of the magnesium ribbon. That means it bright white light is releasing, and it could damage the eyes. That means we should not continuously see the whenever there is a burning of the magnesium. This is the example. This is a simple example we demonstrate to the student in the laboratory. Another example, you might observe that if you take the coal, or we can say take the charcoal, Yeah, wood you take and you burn this. It is a combustible substance, charcoal. You burn it with the atmospheric oxygen gas. Here, it gives the formation of carbon dioxide, some traces of water vapors, and we get a heat or light. We get a heat energy here. That means in a combustion process we obviously get energies in the form of heat or light. Yeah, both heat and light. Some substance burners, they are sources of heat. Some substance burners, they are the sources of the light. And some substances burns both with the release of heat and light energy. This is the combustion process. And it is a chemical process जिसमें combustible substance burn होता है in the presence of atmospheric oxygen and releases energy in the form of heat and light, and changes into another substance. Here magnesium changes into magnesium oxide. Here essentially there should be a oxygen, atmospheric oxygen, so that there is a combustion process. The combustion process, there is combustion if there is the presence of atmospheric oxygen. And it is the definition about the combustion in the chapter of combustion and flame. If we move ahead here, what are the essential conditions to the combustion? Essential conditions, essential conditions for combustion. combustion होने के लिए कौन से essential conditions, शर्त होने क्या क्या? एक तो इसमें ए पार्ट क्या conditions होने चाहिए for the process of combustion? There should a substance there should be a combustible substance, a combustible substance क्या होता है? Which undergo the process of combustion easily and burns off, and that is a combustible substance. Various of the examples we simply name as fuels: solid fuel, liquid fuel, gaseous fuels. As combustions are the wood, charcoal, kerosene, diesel, petrol, alcohol. They are the various examples of combustible substance. Paper, second is the presence of atmospheric, क्या दूसरा condition होना चाहिए? Presence of atmospheric oxygen should be there. Atmospheric, yes, oxygen. There should be a presence of atmospheric oxygen so that there is a process of combustion. And third is that process low ignition temperature. ये भी लाजमी तौर जो substance which undergo the combustion process should generally have low ignition temperature. ये हम आगे भी पढ़ेंगे आगे lectures में कि ignition temperature क्या होता है. It is the temperature at which a substance catches fire and burns off in the presence of oxygen. These are the generally the conditions for the process of combustion. Which on the basis of combustion we categorize substance. Some are the combustible, some are the non-combustible substances. On the basis of combustion, some are the combustible, some are non-combustible substance. Now we categorize which the substance which undergo the process of combustion known as the combustible substance. Combustible substances. Goes on the basis of combustion, we can categorize substance into two. One is the combustible substances, another is the which does not go under the process of combustion, not burns at all in the presence of oxygen or other conditions we make available to. That means substance does not burn. The non-combustible substance, non-combustible substances. इसमें अगर examples mention कर लेंगे हम, examples here mention is the wood, charcoal, coal, alcohol. You can say the kerosene, kerosene. You can say the LPG gas, etc. You can name the combustible substance. You can non-combustible substance. Examples are the stone, iron nails, iron nails. You can say the water, non-combustible substance. You can say the clay, non-combustible substances. You can also mention the moist leaves, जो moist leaves हो, मतलब गीले पत्ते, वो भी partly non-combustible substance में हम mention कर सकते हैं. Also you can then mention in this glass, etc. are the examples. Now what are the various types of we can say the combustion. Combustion comes in of various types of combustion. Here, types of combustion. In this we can say the one is the rapid combustion, another is the we can say the spontaneous combustion, and third is the we can say explosive combustion, exploits भी कहते हैं इनको, combustion. And fourth one is the slow combustion. That is the first one, this is the second one, this is third one, this is the fourth one here, third one. The rapid combustion, we have various types of combustion: rapid combustion, spontaneous combustion, explosive combustion, and slow combustion. One by one we can have a light upon that. What is the rapid combustion? Rapid combustion क्या होता है? Combustible substance which burns very quickly. Actually they have low ignition temperature. हमने देखा है क्या होता है rapid combustion, they have least ignition temperature होता है बहुत, जिस पे ये इनको हमें we have to, that means we have to supply little bit of energy to burn these combustible substances. इसमें और क्या होता है? combustible substance burns, इसमें क्या होता है? वो burns quickly, वो जल्दी burn होता है, quickly burns and gives quick release of light or heat energy. इनमें देखा जाता है कि जो rapid combustion, so those are combustible substances which undergoes rapid combustion, they have high calorific value. Usually उनमें देखा गया है generally high calorific value होता है. High calorific means heat generating, high heat. We can say that is high heat, हम कहते हैं उनमें fuel efficiency high होती है. Fuel efficiency is very high. The fuel efficiency is very high. These are the following points: least ignition temperature, rapid combustion में होता है, combustible substance जल्दी quick burn out होता है, quickly release of the light or heat energy, and there is a high calorific value. इनमें देखा गया है those combustible substance which often goes they generally have high calorific value, that means they have high fuel efficiency and produce tremendous amount of heat energy. Yes, that is a rapid combustion. If we mentioned the example in this, that is the example is the petrol. You can say the first is the LPG, CNG, gaseous fuels are undergo the rapid combustion. Alcohol, you can say the methane gas, methane, they have a high calorific value, burns quickly, and there is a tremendous release of energy, and with no time, with less time, and generally they have a high ignition, least ignition temperature. We can say kerosene भी इसमें आता है rapid combustion. If we talk about the spontaneous, second is the mentioned here, the spontaneous combustion here. Spontaneous combustion में क्या होता है, there is sudden breakdown of fire. इसमें क्या होता है, spontaneous sudden breakout of fire without knowing apparent cause. Without knowing apparent cause, the combustible substance, of course, burns naturally. Actually, they have very low ignition temperature, and their temperature देखा जाता है. दो substance which undergo the spontaneous combustion, उनमें generally देखा गया हमारे body temperatures, उनका जो टेम्परेचर होता है एट वी डे कैच फायर, वो बिलो 35 डिग्री सेल्सियस होता है. डैट मीन हमारे बॉडी टेम्परेचर से भी कम टेम्परेचर पे वो कैच करते हैं फायर. दैट इज दिस इज द स्पॉन्टेनियस. दैट मीन्स generally their ignition temperature जिस पे एट वी डे क्या आएगा, फायर is below 35 degree Celsius. So easily there is no cause. If we take the spontaneous combustion, naturally it is a natural process. You might have seen there is a natural disaster, that the forest fire, there is the forest fire is the case, and white phosphorus, it is a dangerous chemical. White phosphorus also burns naturally, eventually, and have no apparent cause. It is very dangerous that to handle the white phosphorus at this temperature, it catches fire. If we place white phosphorus, अगर हम चाइना डिश लाएंगे, हम if we take the China dish and we place in it here the white phosphorus, here it is a we can say here it is a white phosphorus, and when we keep at it in a room temperature, इसको हम room temperature पे रखेंगे, at a room temperature it catches fire. That means at room temperature it catches, at room temperature catches fire. That means इसमें इस चाइना डिश में without supplying any bit of energy, हम यहाँ से एनर्जी इसको बिल्कुल प्रोवाइड नहीं करता है, बिल्कुल हमें इसको हवा में रखना है चाइना डिश में. ये abruptly without any cause catches fire. That means it has least ignition temperature. It comes under the spontaneous combustion. And burning of sulfur is also it also sometimes undergoes the spontaneous combustion. And there are also some we can say in the coal mines, when there is the coal gas, there sometimes it prove many times many eventualities takes place, many disasters takes place, and sometimes coal mines catch fire, and there is a fire breakout, and there is the casualties in thousands in case of workers, coal mine workers. That is a very dangerous and very that is very worst to the coal coal miners that there is a coal gas present. Sometimes they leak out suddenly. Apparent fire catches there. Is another example of the spontaneous combustion. That if we talk about here the explosives, that explosives, here is the third one, is the explosives. एक्सप्लोसिव्स में क्या, आपने ईद के दिन पे आप पटाखे फोड़ रहे हो, फायर क्रैकर्स में क्या होता है, इसमें एक कंबस्टेबल सब्सटेंस होता है जो जल जाता है। कंबस्टेबल सब्सटेंस जो होता है, ध्यान रखिए, वो बिल्कुल हमने स्टोर किया होता है, स्टोर इनसाइड विद हाई प्रेशर, इसमें क्या होता है, इस कंबशन में एक तो इसमें हीट एंड लाइट एनर्जी तो रिलीज होती है एक्सप्लोसिव, प्लस साथ में जोरदार धमाका भी होता है, साउंड के साथ ये जल जाता है। दैट मीन्स इट बर्न्स in this type of combustion, in this type of combustion, combustible substance burns with explosions, and there is tremendous amount of release of heat and light energy, and with explosive sound it is heard by our ears and very noisy, and it is very so we should avoid the burning of the firecrackers. Often you see on the festivals of Diwali, the Sera, how we burn these fire crackers, and lot of air pollution take place. We should have deep concern towards our environment. Air is polluted, simultaneously there is noise pollution, and the substance burns with tremendous release of heat and light energy, and sound, explosive sound, which is very noisy to the ears and very frightened and very dangerous to burn the firecrackers. You should take care while the burning of the firecrackers, and various explosive devices are these days used, and in case of the war and tremendous casualties, tremendous death, and huge number of disaster takes place by the wars. In the wars, explosive exploits are used, and there is a sacrifices of many persons, and there is a huge decline, there is huge disaster to the country, to the world, and we should always maintain peace and prosperity in every way, in every corner, and we should have we should maintain brotherhood, peaceful atmosphere, stability, and uniqueness in a global world, and we are all the creators survival and on the earth, and Allah is our Almighty, and He designed us in a beautiful manner, in a beautiful way, and we should respect every human lives and animals. And we should then go ahead in this here. Then is there slow combustion here. Slow combustion, it is the fourth one and last one in this. Slow combustion में क्या होता है, हाँ यकीनन तौर substance is combustible, substance is combustible, and burns होता है, burns very slowly, and burns very slowly in the presence of oxygen. That means this type of combustion, it takes lot of time. It takes lot of time in combustion. It takes a lot of time in burning, or use it up. बहुत टाइम लगता है, टाइम कंज्यूमर, प्रेजेंस ऑफ ऑक्सीजन, स्लो बर्न, वेरी स्लोली, स्लो रिएक्शन, स्लो combustion, and there is a combustion, substance is combustible. Example is rusting of iron. रस्टिंग ऑफ आयरन, जो आयरन जो होता है Fe, ये कंबाइन होता है एटमॉस्फेरिक ऑक्सीजन के साथ एंड सम क्वांटिटीज ऑफ वाटर, एक्स टाइम ऑफ वाटर हम लेंगे, देयर इज द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ Fe2O3, दैट मीन्स आयरन ऑक्साइड, आयरन ऑक्साइड, आयरन थर्ड ऑक्साइड हम लेंगे, थर्ड ऑक्साइड, इसी को हम कहते हैं. द आयरन undergoes a rust, brownish, reddish brown layer creates on its surface and it is slow process. इसमें भी हम बात कर लेंगे जो रेस्पिरेशन भी है वो भी हमारे टिश्यू सेल्स में, उसमें भी जो एब्जॉर्ब्ड होता है फूड reaches into the tissue cells, wherein it burns in the presence of atmospheric oxygen and releases energy in the form of ATPs, and there is the formation of carbon dioxide, waters as a wastes. That means respiration is itself a combustion process in human beings, and include, we can say it include it is also a combustion process. Sometimes it is slow process, sometimes it's a rapid process. It depends upon our metabolic activity take place in our body, performed by our body cells. And there it is the example of the iron undergoes the rusting. Rusting is a slow process, and rusting is a typical combustion. Dear students, this is all about today my topic, combustion and various types of combustion. I discussed about these and what necessary condition should be there in order to have a process of combustion. I hope you understand. Thank you.